Hello everyone, this video is a continuation of the EMZ01 and EMZ02 ZOS 113 installation videos, and here we are going to give you some tips so that you can configure your ZOS to work with a DB2 database. This video is original in Spanish, so it has sound and automatic subtitles. The first thing to do is verify that the Hercules CFG configuration file has the loadparm parameter as indicated in the figure shown. The next thing is to modify the field when you enter TSO with the EMZ user. In the screen shown you can clearly see the modifications to be made. Here is how to modify the DB2 name with the DBAG value. You just have to do what is indicated in the guide to enter spoofy, and verify that DB210 is operational. When a CCSID error is displayed, it is because the character tables do not match. Just press the Enter key to ignore the prompt. Please look at the select asterisk from EMP statement that has been added to the query to query the employees table in the DB2 sample database, and confirm that everything is okay. When you are not going to use DB2, you can deactivate it to have more resources available. Just enter the command --stop DB2 in the operator console. To activate it again, enter the command --start DB2. Here the ZOS 01, 02, and 03 mainframe implementation guides are embedded as objects on your PC. Download the PPT from the link in the file description, and from there you can extract the guides. On the next slide, we will show a short video of the points covered in Guide 03. Thank you very much for being interested in watching this video, and good luck. Please comment if you were already able to install your ZOS 113 with DB2. We need to know that there are already people ready to learn related topics, and thus be able to move forward. Remember that the PPT download link is in the video description. Thank you very much for watching the video, and good luck.